All right, guys, thanks for joining me this morning. We've got an awesome custom trailer that I want to showcase and just run through with you. Customer called me. They said they wanted a kayak trailer like they've never seen before. They gave us a couple pictures to give us a running head start, and this is what we ended up with. This is by far the most custom kayak trailer we've done, and I'm really excited to share it with you this morning. So I'm going to run through a few features that really just catered to the exact specs that the customer is wanting. He wanted to be able to haul 2 canoes on the bottom, but it also to be a flex space for other things. So everything is outfitted with E-Track. We custom did all this, built our own brackets, but you can put 2 canoes on the bottom here or do coolers or whatever else you want. You can take these racks out. And then up here on the top, you can obviously see that these are racks for kayaks. Now these remove and they can be put into any order. They can even be brought down to the bottom here, and then these racks are also removable. So he could, maybe load a 4-wheeler on this or some other stuff as well. It's a very flexible space for this specific unit. The tires held back really far so that those canoes can hang out 3 or 4 feet. Starting from the front, we've got an adjustable coupler. That's because we went ahead and did a double stack tongue on this. It does have a drop spare tire, which you can see right there, and it's going to be like an automotive style tire. And we've got a quick access nut, the same size as the lug nuts in the back, so that will just come up and down. Stores look super slick. Safety chains are standard, our steps are standard. He did want a little extra lighting on this, which we have done. We've got this cool toggle switch. It just gives him some additional lighting when it gets dark. You can see the lights around the steps. There's lights for the cargo, and then there's a light in the back. The tongue is considerably longer, but we do that on purpose because those canoes are so much longer. It gives him the space to come up here about level with the jack so that he can carry those 14, 15, 16-foot canoes. He wanted these really nice boxes. This was actually a challenge for us. I had to build the trailer around the boxes. The customer wanted these big, long boxes so that he could fit his kayaks and his paddles. Well, paddles are considerably long, so we had to go with these extra long boxes. They turned out really good. We did get a pair of them, you can see, and the customer seems really happy with that as well. Anytime we get to do a trailer like this, we get to do some custom fab stuff, which you're seeing, like in our brackets. We have our own brake, our own CNC. We're able to really marry everything together well, and the fit and finish really looks nice because we have the proper machinery here to do that. He opted for aluminum wheels. Those always look really sharp. It's got a 3,500-pound axle, 6-ply radial tires. It's a spring axle, nice and heavy duty. He shouldn't have any problems at all. We swing back here to the back. Plenty of good lights. We got a trial light. We got our LEDs. It also has backup lights, so it's got the clear lights inside the red lights. So he also has that backup feature as well, so he can see. We added this foam bumper. It's a pipe with a foam bumper. He didn't want to scrape his canoes along that pipe, so we added that for him as well. We're just really excited to share this to you. This is a perfect example of what we can do and a great showcase for us and our abilities here, guys. If you need anything custom, from this to a 52-foot step deck, hay haulers, dump trailers, cargoes, whatever you need, we can get you taken care of. Thank you, and God bless.